What's up, guys? It's Miss Strasser here with problem solving option 3. For this week, we are going to be kind of looking at the opposite direction of like a recipe. So last week, we multiplied fractions to figure out how much of each ingredient you would need to feed a certain amount of people. We're actually going in the opposite direction. So now we have the ingredients. We need to know how we can split that up to feed a certain amount of people we don't know yet. So think about what we've talked about this week with the inverse operation, the opposite of multiplication, those conversations that we've been having. So Elisa is making strawberry shortcake. One serving of strawberry shortcake requires 2/3 cup of strawberries and 2 shortbread biscuits to feed 2 people. So this is a recipe for 2 people. If you find it easier to break it down to one serving, to one person, well, you would probably need 1/3 cup of strawberries and 1 biscuit to feed 1 person. So they just happen to put it in groups for 2 people, but don't feel like you have to keep it that way. Elisa has 2 dozen shortbread biscuits. So sorry. She has 2 dozen shortbread biscuits and 6 cups of strawberries. How many people can she serve? So that's what I would tackle first. You're taking your ingredients that you have and you're breaking them up into groups to figure out how many people you can serve. You're going to have some biscuits left over. How many cups of strawberries are you going to need if she wants to use all the biscuits? So you're going to have some biscuits left over from the original question. You need to figure out how many more strawberries would you need to use the rest of the biscuits. So that's kind of how I would go about this problem. Remember, we're in the dividing fractions unit right now in math. So you're taking a whole amount of ingredients and you're dividing that up into groups of 2/3 if you want to feed 2 people, or if you want to break it down to 1/3 for 1 person. That's kind of where I would start with this problem solving. Okay, good luck.